Complementary and supplementary angles are put together often a lot of times. They're two separate ideas, but they have a lot of similarities. If you look at complementary angles, these are two or more angles that add up to get 90 degrees. Two or more angles that if you add them all together, they'll equal 90 degrees exactly. And then supplementary is when you add two or more angles and they equal up to 180 degrees exactly. I have an example of each. This one over here is going to be your complementary example, and this one over here is going to be your supplementary example. So let's hop into it. Now, if we were to look at P, Q, and S, those angles, if I put it together, they look a lot like a right angle, which is true. So what you know about a right angle is that a right angle is going to measure up to 90 degrees. And it's saying that if I was to add up Q, R, and S, that angle that falls right here, plus P, R, and Q, the angle that falls right here, they would add up together to equal 90 degrees. So how do I find that missing angle measurement? What I do is I set it up as I know everything put together is 90 degrees. I know that I have one angle that's 67 degrees. So to find my missing angle, all I have to do is subtract my two knowns. So 90 degrees minus 67, 90 minus 67, that 9 turns to an 8, that 0 turns to a 10, 10 minus 7 is 3, 8 minus 6 is 2, so the missing angle measurement is 23 degrees. So to summarize, if I was to put my PRQ angle together, which is 23 degrees, with my QRS angle measurement, which is 67 degrees, I could add both these numbers together and they would equal up to 90 degrees because they are complementary. Supplementary is you have to look at my first angle measurement, which is WUV, which is a straight angle, and we know that all straight angles equals up to 180 degrees. So if I added my TUV angle measurement plus my TUW measurement, they would add up together to equal up to 180 degrees. But I have this missing angle measurement for TUW. So how would I find that? Same idea. You need to set up what you know. I know that 180 degrees is my total. If I take 76 degrees away from my 180, my final answer is going to be my missing angle measurement. So let's see what we get. 180 minus 76. I can't do 0 minus 6. I got to borrow. That 8 turns to a 7. That 0 turns to a 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 7 is 0. And 1 minus nothing is 1. So my missing angle measurement is 104 degrees, which makes sense because we know that this angle, although probably not drawn to scale, is an obtuse angle, so it has to be bigger than 90 degrees, and 104 plus 76 does equal up to my 180, which makes them supplementary to each other. So that's how you find complementary and supplementary angles.